In this video, we want to evaluate the integral of sine of the square root of x over the square root of x. And I'm going to go with a substitution here. Let u equal to the square root of x. Then du would equal to derivative of square root of x. You can think of this as x to the 1/2. Square root of x equals x to the 1/2. So basic power rule here for derivatives. The 1/2 comes out in front. And I subtract 1 from the 1/2 there, gives me x to the negative 1/2. I'm going to put that in the denominator. And I'm going to write it as a radical. And then I'm going to have the dx. Now we'll make the substitution. And you could say probably, well, u equal to the square root of x, so put a u here and a u here. But that gives you pretty much the same thing. So what I'm going to do is I'll write the sine, square root of x, but that's going to be my u. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this right here, dx over the square root of x. So I'm going to just break it out this way. Multiply through by 2 here. So I get 2 du. So I get 2 du multiplying by 2. And then on the right side, that'll leave me with dx over the square root of x. So notice here then I got a dx over the square root of x. That can be replaced by 2u. And this is du here. So again, dx over the square root of x can be replaced by 2 du. I'll put the 2 out in front here. And it looks like this. And now we integrate here with respect to u. So in the integrand, the antiderivative of sine of u with respect to u is a minus cosine of u. And then of course I got the 2 there also, so I'll get minus 2 cosine u plus the constant of integration. And then we just go back to the original variable, minus 2, got cosine of u, but u is the square root of x. And I got the constant of integration. This is your final answer here. Quick check here. Take the derivative. And it should give you this integrand right here. The derivative of cosine is minus sine. I got a negative here, so the negative cancels, you get positive. And then the derivative of cosine of the square root of x gives me 1/2, so that cancels the 2 out here. And I subtract 1 from the 1/2, gives me a negative 1/2. So that puts that x to negative 1/2, and the denominator is the square root of x. So it checks out. If you have time when you're doing these problems, especially if you're doing homework, check yourself by computing the derivative and see if you get the integrand. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.